Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Tip guys. If you're on Twitter, you must have been hearing about tips. You must have been seeing a post, like you must have been seeing some crypto influencers making a post about tips at tipscoin. Do you understand? So if you have a Twitter account, you're actually eligible for this airdrop, guys. You need to hurry up now. All you have to do now is to click on this link I will drop on this video description now, or you can actually copy the link and paste it on your Chrome browser, guys. So what you have to do now is to go to this website, the tipcoin.io, or that is all you have to type in. I'll also leave this link on this video description, guys. So all you have to do now is to click on the link. It will bring you to this interface now. If you look up, you will see login to claim. Do you understand? You'll be getting 100 points, and this 100 points, like guys, as you are actually commenting tip, you are tip at Tipcoin, you are accumulating points, and this point will be converted to tip token. Do you understand? And I hear that this today is the last day, guys. So if you're on Twitter, you need to hurry up now and claim your 100 points. As in, just claim 100 points. Even if you're not following some crypto influencers that are actually making a post about tips, just connect your Twitter account. You're actually going to perform 3 tasks and then you'll be getting 100 points. Let me show you. So we're actually going to click on log in to claim now. Do you understand? Or we click, you see connect account. So we click on connect account, guys. So we click on connect account. I will show you, set an error code. Wait. So guys, when you click on connect account, it will redirect you. Then you click on authorize app. When you click on it, you will see it will bring out 3 options, guys. The 3 option is, you will see a tweet. They will tell you to make a tweet that you have joined tip. Do you understand? When you tweet that, you're actually going to get, you are not composing any as in you are not composing any tweet. You just click on the tweet. They will bring out the interface once you click on connect account. Do you understand? So when you click on tweet, now I'll show you. Let me show you on tweet. So guys, that thing, they will bring out tweet. You will see it. Once you tweet, this is what you will bring out, like this thing now. Just claimed my first tip airdrop, 100k points. You get 100 points just by tweeting that. This is what you're actually going to tweet. And then the second option there is to retweet. They will bring out this to retweet. Look at their Twitter handle here. Do you understand? This is their Twitter handle, guys. You can actually see that. Do you understand? So all you have to do now is to get this 100 points. It has only 21 hours remaining, guys. So the second option is to retweet. Then the third option is to click like. So once you are done with that, you just earn your point. Do you understand? That's just it. So to earn more, you will just earn these points. You earn 100 points. I actually connected my account yesterday. Do you understand? Yesterday afternoon, yesterday afternoon. So I didn't know that it would be ending soon. It was actually when I came online this noon now, this that I actually saw that it has 21 hours remaining. You can actually see that. Do you understand? You can see that it has 21 hours. Please give this video a thumbs up and try to see this video to the end. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. Here in this channel we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency, guys. So guys, this is it. These are the people topping. These are the people that got the update earlier. Do you understand? I've been seeing it on Twitter, but I don't know how to go about it. It was actually yesterday that I have to make a research about them, and then I find out that for you to earn, you need to connect to their website. You connect your Twitter account to their website and start. And so these are the people that earn. You can actually see that these are their top earners. All these guys are Niger guys. So guys, if you're on Twitter, you must have come across their handles, guys. So this is it. What I have is just 285. I got 100 points yesterday, so I made a post about them, I just got 100. Do you understand? Then you start commenting on this. Just follow all these Twitter handles. Now if you go on Twitter, you will see their you will see their post. You just be commenting on their post. Any post they made about tip, they are actually farming tip. So just go on their comment section and be commenting tip, and then when you comment tip, you mention at you need to follow them on Twitter. Let me show you how to go about that. So if this is tip, their tweet. So when you come under their tweets now, or any influencer that made a post about tip now, all you have to do now is to type in something like this. Now you can actually see that. Just click a dollar sign, write tip. You understand? You now type at. You mention their handle so that you earn more. Do you understand? That's just it, guys. So you need to start. It has only 21 hours and 14 minutes remaining, guys. So you need to hurry up now. Even if you are not active on Twitter, so long as you have a Twitter account, just go and connect and get 100 point, guys. That 100 point might be something for you. Like, it's ending, so this point will be swapped to token, guys. So that's just it for now. So if this is your first time of seeing my video here in this channel, we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency. So if you are seeing this video on TikTok, if you can go to my TikTok profile, you see YouTube icon, they click on it, it will redirect you to my YouTube channel, where you're actually going to see this link now, and then paste it on your browser so that you can claim your 100 points. I'll keep you guys updated. So that'll be all for now, guys. See you soon. Thanks for watching.